Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is December the 20th, 2019, the location to where we trade different and we give you all the trusted source of financial news according to the price chart. This is your first time watching our video. You guys see how easy it is on our speech and our jargon and our price chart. And you definitely would like to see more of this information. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Join us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, our website, HueFinancial.com. Just to make it easier for each and every one of you, we went ahead and placed the link in the description of this video. Now, today is going to be a video about Tesla stock and the real reason why Tesla stock is rising. Okay, I think a lot of people may have forgotten something that occurred back in 2018 with Elon Musk that could be the cause why the stock price is moving higher. We're going to talk about that. Look at this article, and then towards the end of this video, as always, we're going to give you our latest price update in Tesla stock and how the market has transacted from our previous video in Tesla, and then we'll update you on a future price movement of our expectations in this company. All right, so this article was uploaded to Yahoo Finance yesterday. With Tesla stock is at a record high, but a crash may be right around the corner. That is always the case when you see stocks making all-time highs. The expectation of the market begins to become more pessimistic and a little bit more worrisome as people continue to see an area that the market hasn't traded before. So you would expect some people to take some profits out the market. You would expect some people to become a little bit more leery as to how high the market is going to go. And this is the reason why this article is being posted on Yahoo Finance, plain and simple. Okay, so real quick, this is the real reason that could be why Tesla stock is rising up in price. You remember Elon Musk did a tweet back in 2018, August 17th, 2018 to be specific, with the words, "I'm considering taking Tesla private at $420, funding secured." Many people aren't talking about that today. It was huge news at that particular time of August 2018 that even made the SEC become involved, where they sued Elon Musk. And they actually came to an agreement at that particular time. But nevertheless, it was a big hoopla about that tweet coming out of Elon Musk taking Tesla private. Here we are today. Tesla is trading around $400. Not too far from $420, if you guys can remember. This could be the real reason why the value of Tesla stock is increasing. Of course, this article tries to go into a couple more reasons as to why this price is moving higher. First one is because Tesla had earned a quarterly profit, and that quarterly profit has reduced the likelihood of this company going out to raise more money, i.e. getting more debt. So the expectation has risen somewhat in regards to this particular company, Tesla, making money and becoming less and less dependent on loans and debt. So that's it. That's good. And then the investors in Tesla may be feeling that Elon Musk is becoming more focused on operating Tesla. He's becoming more disciplined in how he tweets, and more emphasis is placed on him making Tesla a success and actually running a successful car company. That's the second reason. And in turn, those two reasons is crushing the many short sellers that are against Tesla stock moving higher. And by this particular stock moving higher, they had to cover those positions that they expected Tesla to move lower on. And as they covered, meaning they simply had to buy back those shares that they sold at a higher price, it pushes the value of Tesla stock higher. That's another reason as to why Tesla could be seeing higher prices. This is what Dan Levy said, and I quote, "Given a solid wave of positive data points, Tesla stock has been driven higher amid short covering and likely with some long buying as well." Fourth reason is because Tesla new Gigafactory in Shanghai in China is rolling out new vehicles of Tesla models, thereby increasing the market share, increasing the competitive outlook of Tesla in new markets. That could be another positive reason why Tesla is seeing high prices. And as always, the article got to give us the other side of the story. Don't get too excited, okay? Despite the onslaught of positive news, it doesn't mean that Tesla stock is poised to go up another 50% in 2 months. I don't know where he grabbed that number from, of 50% movement in 2 months. But some people on Wall Street, as you would expect, is advising that caution is needed in light of Tesla making all-time highs. Dan Levy says, and I quote, "Yet amid this run, expectations for Tesla have likely risen. And to the extent a soft data point emerges, that's all that's going to take for a major correction to occur in Tesla stock. If they miss the next quarterly earnings, they do not make a profit, if they come out with another news headline saying they got to take on more debt, this stock will crash," is what Dan is trying to say. Analysts are going to be looking for another profitable quarter for Tesla when it announces fourth quarter results in 2020. Given the volatile past in Tesla, there is no guarantee that it will have 2 consecutive quarters of profits. Trading at all-time highs, very minimum chance of Tesla stock consecutively having profitable quarters. Is the market being prepared for a correction? From a technical analyst perspective, it appears to be severely overbought. One of the technical analysts, named Matt Malley, notes that Tesla has tested its current price level on 4 other occasions over the past year, and each time it was followed by a serious decline, the smallest one being by 20%. Okay, so now the reason why Tesla stock could be moving higher is because Elon's maybe trying to take the company private, because of the profit quarter he had, because of the new facility that is open in Shanghai, the Gigafactory. Is because the short sellers are covering their positions and the market continues to move higher? Or maybe simply the investors believe in Elon Musk again. All of those things is what from this article is trying to insinuate is pushing this stock higher, right? So now, as always, we're going to give you our perspective, our results to what we expected the market to do. And the last time we did our video in Tesla was on the 13th of December. You guys can see right there with the expectation into the market that Tesla is going to continue to move higher. Now, originally we only had the market at 380 because, like the technical analyst said in this article, is where the market hit its head multiple times and we saw corrections, right? So that's why we just played that on the safe side. But the overall movement in Tesla was a given that is going to move higher. And if you're still into the market now in Tesla, from our video from the 13th, you'll be up 12.5% right now. We saw the market movement with the anticipation of higher prices, and it played out precisely as what we expected. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get rid of that. And what I'm going to do, we are going to update you on what we're noticing into the market in Tesla. Okay. Now, all-time highs has been going on for most of this week for this particular stock. Not a surprise. We are seeing some weakness into the market right now, but I want to be the first one to tell you that support and the movement down in Tesla stock is going to be at $380, right around that particular area. So you can see 380 was hit as resistance multiple times. So what we're going to do to make our chart a little bit more prevalent, we're going to bring this support area up to 380 now. Okay, so now we understand that when the market in Tesla moves to the downside, it has to hold that particular area for support. Take a look at Tesla on the weekly time frame. Since it's the last day of the week, you all can see right here that we have pretty good movement to the upside in price. All eyes need to pay attention to where we close today in the market in Tesla. Okay, obviously from the weekly perspective, I am seeing some indication that sellers are grabbing profits out the market, which is natural. And then on the monthly time frame, a very good look in this particular stock to see those higher prices as well. Okay, breaking it down to an hourly time frame, again, you can see right here that we definitely see some profit taking going on into the market. Now this is the overall strength in Tesla stock. Okay, this is how strong the market in Tesla is on a 4-hour basis. So with the expectation of Tesla continuing to see those lower prices, you would expect us to find some type of support area around 390, maybe at around $380. Okay, so that 3-hour chart looks awfully weak as well too. We want to play the market in Tesla to continue to see some lower prices, but in order to preface that, we are going to just play it on the 3-hour chart. Okay, we need to allow the market actually give us a definitive price move on a daily basis in order to really grab where the market is going to go in the future. Okay, so we are looking at what many technical analysts pose as overbought, meaning that we overshot a realistic movement in this particular stock. So we have to come back into an area of equilibrium to where the market can actually trade and sell. Okay, so we will be looking for the market in Tesla to move lower, but that's only on the 3-hour basis. Okay, the weekly, the monthly, the daily, we have to come back in and do another update video to see precisely in the long term where this stock is going to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a movement to the downside in Tesla stock real quick. And like I said, 380 is the ultimate support area in the market for Tesla. So we're going to bring it all the way down to 380, but we'll TP the market at 390, which will be around 2.9% profit, okay, in that particular move. So let's look at this going forward over the next couple of days and see how the market in Tesla actually trades. If we definitely hold 390 as support in this movement to the downside, then the expectation will be for a continuation of movement higher in the long term. So that's what we're going to be focused on as we see Tesla continue to trade in the market. So this is it. Updated price prediction for Tesla. Give us your thoughts about why do you think Tesla continue to see higher prices? Do you think we're going to see some weakness come in over the next couple of days? Let us know with a comment and in the comment section of this video as well. Make sure you always maintain your profitability, and I will see you on the next one.